What is the difference between the Clean Air Premium Pet Upright Riccar vacuum and the Clean Air Deluxe Upright vacuum from Riccar? Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar, and we're going to talk about the 5 things that are different between these two models. The Riccar Premium Pet Clean Air Upright vacuum comes with 5 things that you don't get down here on the Deluxe model. Number 1 is you're going to get the Forget It Pet tool. This tool is included on this machine and has a place to store it on this machine. So that's 1. Number 2 is the hose. The hose on this machine is actually 3 feet longer than the hose on that machine, so you have a 15-foot hose reach versus a 12-foot hose reach. Number 3, you're going to get a 5-year warranty on this model. This model comes with a 3-year warranty. Number 4, this one comes with the red carpet service plan. And 5, last but not least, this one has the dust and allergen sensor lights on it. So 5 major reasons why you should buy this model and buy up in the Riccar lineup. Happy vacuuming!